Hey y'all, welcome back. So today I'm going to be doing a pretty good clean. It's my birthday weekend. My son is coming down and I'm going to meet his girlfriend for the first time, so I'm looking forward to that. And also my in-laws are going to be down, so we're probably just going to hang out, go out to eat, and just catch up and visit. Anyway, but before we do all that, I really needed to get the place cleaned up. So I just wanted to go ahead and take y'all along with me and share that with y'all to give y'all a little cleaning motivation. So if you like videos like this, then please subscribe and hit the thumbs up and leave a comment below. I love to get back with y'all and talk with y'all and support whoever needs support and all that good stuff. So anyway, I'm just going to hop right into this and get into doing the kitchen. I always clean my kitchen first. This is an open floor concept home, so I just like to clean the kitchen, the living room, and the dining room, and then I move on to the rest of the house. So anyway, that's what I'm going to do here, and I'm just going to go hop into it.
Jump into the car on a Friday night, I want to drive with you. Looking for a bar in the nearest town, I've never seen a sky so blue. We don't ever play it and the night is young, it doesn't matter what we do. There ain't nobody like you. Look so beautiful.
I really need to organize this drawer. I was actually going to make some inserts, and I just might do that. I didn't know if I would buy some or make some, but I think I'll just go ahead and make some. It's just every single time I have to go through and reorganize it, and it's just really annoying. So anyway, yeah, I just wanted to come on here and say that I am going to get that fixed up one day. It's just taking me a little while to do it.
Talking about yourself and you make me smile, I can listen all night long. I tell you about the time when I first met you, listening to a favorite song. Walking on the street when you caught my eye, something about the way you move. No, there ain't nobody like, so lucky to be yours. And you're taking me high, ain't nobody like you, I'm not coming down. Ain't nobody like you, I could go 1,000 miles as long as I'm with you. Yeah, you're taking me high, ain't nobody like you. Ain't nobody like you, ain't nobody like you. Ain't nobody like you, ain't nobody like you, ain't nobody like you. Jump into the car on a Friday night, I wanna drive with you. Looking for a bar in the nearest town.
Every now and then I go ahead and clean this window. A lot of things get splattered on it, so it does need to be cleaned pretty often. So I'm just going to clean that off real quick and then do the countertops. And y'all will see right here I have a mishap, which I thought was pretty funny. Of course, I didn't think it was very funny at the time, but while I was editing, I just had to do it in slow-mo, and then I thought it was really funny. Anyway, so yeah, I'm just going to clean off the countertops, and then I think we're going to be done in here. And I can't quite remember right now if I did the floors right after or if I came back through. But anyway, yeah, I'm just going to get the counters wiped down.
This California weather, it's like 90 degrees. It's making me hot and he has the same effect on me. It's just something about the way that he's making me feel. My insides are out, I just wanna shout his name. My body's giving up on me, cause I don't know what to do with my fingertips. I wanna run up through his hair, but I'm trying not to stare. I get a little starstruck when I see him. I couldn't hate him even if I tried. Am I a little crazy to believe that I could wake up with him by my side?
So here we are in my bedroom, and I'm not gonna lie, I'm not happy with this room at all right now. I still do not have a comforter. I'm undecided on what colors I want, and I just haven't really found anything I absolutely love or have to have yet. So I'm just we're taking our time. We want something really comfortable, really soft, but that's also pretty. So anyway, right now I'm just using this stuff. I took off the other comforter set that I have because we just hated it, and I didn't understand why I was doing that every day, putting it on the bed just to take everything off the bed at night, because we don't sleep with that comforter. So I just decided to take it out and put it in a bag and save it just in case I get another cover for it, or I might just get rid of it. I'm not quite sure yet. But anyway, this was the first day I did this, so I was kind of just playing with the pillows and didn't know which way I wanted them right off the bat, but I eventually figured it out. And like I said, it's not very pretty, it's not, all that, but it's comfortable, and that's all that really matters when it comes to a bed. So anyway, I'm just gonna get that done and then clean up the rest of the room. I also wanted to say that we did rearrange the room, and I really like it a lot better. And also, I took the skirt off from around the bed because my 6-month-old just started to learn how to crawl. Well, he's not really crawling, he's more like scooching. And anyway, he loves to scooch under the bed, so I didn't want that skirt there. I need to see what's under there at all times. So anyway, I just went ahead and took that off, and it's a lot easier to clean and vacuum under there. And I just wanted to get the window cleaned up, and it was just really dusty. Like, I don't know why my room collects a lot of dust, but it does. So I'm just going to clean everything off and then head to my master bathroom. And I'm also going to be doing something with that cord hanging down from the TV. I cannot stand it, so I need to go get some of that tape to seal that off because it's just not very appealing. And now we're in my master bathroom, and I'm just putting away all my makeup and all the stuff I use to wash my face and the creams I use for my face. And so anyway, I just needed to get all that cleaned up. That's usually how that looks every morning when I get done. And then my husband also had some things that needed to be put away. So I'm just going to put everything away and then wipe down the counters. I usually spray the countertops first, and then I clean the mirrors, and then I come back and wipe that down. So that's what I'm going to do here. You don't have to stick around. And I'm also just going to go ahead and clean the shower. I haven't cleaned it in a while, so I really needed to get that done. It's not my favorite thing to do, but it has to be done. And as far as the bathtub, we haven't really been taking baths lately, so I'm just going to wipe it down because it does get a little dusty. And so anyway, that's what I'm doing here.
I am strong again. I've got hope again. Maybe love has found me. I'm starting to think that you could be one of the good ones. You could be one of the few. You could be one of the good ones. You got me hoping. You got me thinking. Could be you. You see me walking on air without a single care. A big smile on my face. No one could erase. I am strong again. I've got hope again. Maybe love has found me. I am convinced that you could.
And now we're in the living room, and I have all this stuff that I just threw out of my bedroom, so I need to get that all put away. That is the comforter I was telling y'all about that we just don't want to use anymore, so I'm just going to go ahead and bag it up and put it away and see if I use it again. If not, then I will donate it. And anyway, so yeah, I just needed to get all that cleaned up. And then I was going to go ahead and start a load of laundry for the clothes that I had just taken out of the bedroom. Also, I get so behind on laundry no matter what I do, but right now I'm just trying to stay up with it where I'm just doing 1 to 2 loads a day and not just a ton of loads one day out of the week. I just can't stand doing laundry. So anyway, that's what I'm doing here.
I got time, it's clear to see. From up here, the world seems small. We can see.
It never takes too long for me to get the living room cleaned up. I just wanted to wipe it down and dust it a little bit. I am planning on getting a rug to brighten it up in here a bit. Everything's just really dark. So I want to get a rug with blue and white in it, and I think that'll just really lighten the room up a lot. It's just very dark and boring to me, but anyway, we'll get all that straightened out. And also I'm planning on getting a fireplace put right on that wall. So, and we're going to hang the TV above the fireplace. So I think it'll look really nice once all that's done. But anyway, yeah, I just wanted to get all that done and get the floors done.
Take a step back to see the truth around you. From a distance you can tell. You and me were meant to be in the great outdoors, forever free.
So that's about it, y'all. I'm just going to go ahead and finish up some laundry and fold a few towels. And then I'll just give y'all some after shots real quick of the house after it's all done and clean. I really hope y'all enjoyed this, and I hope it got y'all motivated. And like I said before, if you like videos like these, then please subscribe and join our little community here. I will talk to y'all guys later. Bye.